There are three responses to a piece of design: yes, no, and wow. Wow is the one you aim for, by Milton Glaser. Today I'm going to teach you on how to make a glitch word design on a software called GIMP. I wanted to teach you how to make this design because it's a super easy, fun, and cool design that you can make on a software called GIMP, which is a free software that you could get off the internet. So this is what's going to show. So you're going to go to File, click on New. It's going to bring up another new image. I'm going to do 11 by 8. Press OK. Do whatever size artboard you want, whatever size you want, doesn't matter. I'm going to go to my toolbox that's right here. Click on A for text tool. Click and drag. Click inside the box and type a word. I'm going to use glitch. Use any word you like. You can mess around with the size you want or any button you want. It's up to your choice. So now that I did that, I'm going to click back on my move tool. And now I'm going to go to the layer that's selected. So glitch, right click, look for alpha to selection. It's towards the bottom of the list. Click on that. Selects around the word. Now what I'm going to do is create a new layer. So from where the new layer window is at, you go to the bottom, new layer button. Click on that, leave everything it is, make sure fill width is transparency, press OK. All right, now what you're going to want to do is go to your color swatches. Now double click to open it up. Now I have my color blue to make a glitch. Now you could use this name to use the same color as mine or something similar, as long as it looks like a glitch color, so a neon color, we'll say. Press OK. Now what you're going to want to do is go to Edit at the top of the menu, fill with foreground color. Foreground color is a blue color. If it was background, it would be white, but it's blue. Now you're going to go to Select, None. It stops the selection around the whole word, each word letter. Oh no, select None. Now what you're going to do, move to selected, you're going to move that color. Move it off to the bit, either right or left or right, whichever you want. And you're going to do the same step as you did for the blue color. Now for the pink color. So glitch, right click, alpha to selection, new layer, transparency, leave it how it is. Go to your swatches, double click, pink. This is the word name. This is the name for that color that I'm using. Press OK. You go to edit, go foreground color, fills it in, select none, move to selected. Now you can move your color, but if you want to leave it how it is, you can leave it. Now if you want the black to show, all you do is just move your layer. So you get the glitch, select it, move it on top, click and drag up. There you go. Now move the word off a bit. There's something like this. Now what you're going to do is click on the word, right click, look for new from visible. New from visible creates a new layer with all three, the word and the two colors. Turn off each of the individual ones, so you're left with the grouped. Now what you're going to do is go up to your rectangle box, which is next to your move tool. Select it. Now you're going to click and drag however big of a box you want. It selects around what you want. You're going to click inside the box, right click inside the box. You got to select, click on float. Float's going to let you to move that part that you want. Just a tiny bit. You don't have to move it so much. Just a tiny bit so it could seem that it is a glitch. Now you're going to come down to your layer, click on anchor, makes a permanent, not permanent, but makes the thing stays. Now you're going to keep doing that again until you feel satisfied that your word looks like a glitch. Click inside the box, right click, select, float. Now you're going to move it to either to right to left, however you want. It's your design, you do it however you want. You're going to click on the anchor. There you go. No. Click on Anchor. There you go. You can do it one more time. That's super small. I'm doing it. You do it however big of a size you want. Go to select, float, put it off. Click on Anchor, and there you have it. That's how you create a glitch word design. I wish I could zoom. So, today in my speech, I just showed you the steps to making your very own glitch word design. And hopefully now that you know these steps, you would want to download GIMP and try it out for yourself and try many other designs that you would want. Digital design is like painting, except the paint never dries. By Neville Brody. Thank you.